In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite people to a Microsoft Teams community. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing to do is to log into your Microsoft Teams account and then head to communities. As you can see here, I have this one community, so I'll go to it. And once the community is open here, now you can invite people by just clicking on invite members here. Here, you can now enter either their names, email, or even phone number. In my case, I'll just use name and it will highlight the name here. I'll just click on it. So you can only invite a name if you had already added them to your account. Once I'm done now, click on send and these people will receive the invitation. Now on the other hand, the person will receive a request. You can see the request is here and now they can just click on it to accept the invitation to join the community. So that's how you can invite members to join a Microsoft Teams community. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.